Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning aim assist on or off on PubG Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Aim assist helps you with aiming, but some people prefer to have it turned off. Here is how to turn it on or off. From the main dashboard, tap the up arrow button on the bottom right to open the menu, and then select Settings. Here in Basic Settings, the third setting down is for Aim Assist. You can enable it or disable it here by tapping the toggle. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PubG tips and tricks.